Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. Here's the next storm system that's going to impact us for today, and then we have another round that's going to impact us in a pretty big way for Wednesday. So for right now, the clouds are just now starting to nip the far southwestern portion of the News Watch 12 viewing area, but of course later today, not just clouds, but rainfall and snowfall will become pretty widespread. So we put this into motion with Stormcast. This is right around lunchtime. You can see pretty widespread rainfall and snowfall, and it's going to be pretty widespread at dinner time as well. Now maybe trending a little bit drier for midnight, but very quickly here comes that next round in a Wednesday morning. This round's looking a little bit stronger, more rain, more snow, and the wind gusts are poised to be a little bit faster as well. So the morning commute on some of the Cascade passes could be a little bit dicey. It's still going to be pretty widespread in the lunchtime. By dinner time, maybe starting to trend a little bit drier, but we'll still be left over with some showers into Thursday and Friday. Here are some of the water totals we're expecting just through Wednesday night. And again, we will have more for Thursday, but not nearly as much. This pretty much does encompass this series of storm systems. And look at the coast and the coastal ranges. Could get anywhere between 3.5 to 4 inches, which is pretty comparable to what we had over this weekend. Maybe a little bit lighter, but we'll see what ends up happening to some of the streams down that way. And also a lot of water we're expecting for the Cascades and the Illinois Valley. Definitely a lot less for the Rogue Valley, Shasta Valley, and to the east of the Cascades. Snow levels are going to be very interesting over the next 48 hours because they're going to start off very low, right around 2,000 feet, but skyrocketing up to around 8,000 feet a little bit later today, but then stabilizing to more moderate values to around 4,500 to 5,000 feet for tomorrow. So all that to say, you know, it's not going to be as snowy, as consistently snowy as some of the storm systems we saw last week, but still we're expecting anywhere between 1 to 3 inches for Siskiyou County passes, maybe 2 to 3 inches for east side passes, and then maybe 3 to 12 inches for Cascade passes, with some of the highest totals coming up towards Diamond Lake and up towards Willamette Pass. And a lot of this could be blowing snow once again, as some of the wind gusts for Wednesday could be upwards of 45 miles per hour in the Cascades. But even for today, the winds will gust out of the south between 20 to 35 miles per hour. And then for tonight, they'll gust out of the same direction, and pretty much they'll be just as fast. And of course, the wind gusts will be much faster for Wednesday. More rain, more snow. That's why we're going with high impacts. But after that, low impacts, although we still have more rain in the forecast, tracking that next storm system into Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, although it's not looking like it's going to be too wintry or windy. There's a 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain likely over the next 7 days, although it will be a little bit drier for Thursday. Then for Siskiyou County, maybe trace amounts for Mountain Shasta City. Again, not expecting any huge travel impacts in Siskiyou County. And then to the east of the Cascades, maybe 2 to 3 inches for some of those east side passes. I'm thinking maybe a trace to an inch for Lakeview and Klamath Falls. Then for the mountains, maybe more feet of snow up towards Diamond Lake and Crater Lake. And then for the Rogue Valley, we keep things as rain, but we have a lot of rain in the forecast over the next 7 days.